In this video, I will show you how to sign in to your Glassdoor company account. So first, if you're currently signed into your normal account, just go and sign out of this one until you are on the Glassdoor website, and from there go to For Employers, and then here click on Sign in to Employer Center. Now from there, if you have a company account, just enter the email it is associated with or continue with Google or Apple. And from there, you will then be signed in to your employer account. What you can also do is go to For Employers, click Unlock Free Employer Profile, and then right here, they will review it after you create your account. So if they are still reviewing it, you cannot yet sign in. But if it is already approved, you can then here enter your work email and then continue or click Sign in the top right. So that's how you can sign in to your employer profile on Glassdoor. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.